This is the dish breakdown where I break down a dish so you never have to rely on a recipe again. And today we're breaking down chicken noodle soup. When making chicken noodle soup, you're going to want to start off with a mirepoix. That's generally 2 parts onion, 1 part carrot, and 1 part celery. And when it comes time to slicing and dicing, you'll want to make sure that everything is bite-sized. Now when it comes to the order of cooking everything, you'll want to par-cook your chicken first. By initially searing your chicken in your pot, you'll be left with a fond that'll help add depth of flavor to your soup. And when it comes time to cooking your aromatics, make sure to cook the ones that take more time first. You'll want to save the delicate ones for last. That way you don't end up with burnt garlic or overcooked celery. Now to make sure everything is properly seasoned, add a pinch of salt at every stage. And if you're looking for ways to add more dimension, try adding chicken bouillon in lieu of salt. Now for the stock, you can add as much or as little as you want. Just make sure that when it comes time to simmer, turn that heat all the way down and don't let it boil. You don't want your vegetables turning to mush. Next, once your chicken is done cooking, whether it's dicing or shredding, make sure to break it down into bite-sized pieces and add it back into your soup. And to put the noodle in chicken noodle soup, choose your noodle wisely. You can certainly opt in for a fun shape, but if you're looking for something more classic, use wide egg noodles. You can definitely cook it separately before adding, but if you want to stick to one pot, let it cook in your simmering soup. Now if your soup is in need of personality, add some fresh herbs. For brightness, you can add dill, and for warmth, you can add thyme. If you're looking for another way to add brightness to your soup, you can also add a squeeze of fresh lemon. And if you're looking for a way to enrich your soup and make it creamy, you can finish it with a splash of heavy cream. And once your noodles are fully cooked and your seasonings adjusted, serve it up.